Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Victoria and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. Today we are starting spooky season off with our first Halloween makeup look of the year. So in case you have not been following me since last Halloween, what are you doing? But it's okay, you can start now. I have a whole Halloween playlist that I will put right there. I do not have that many makeup looks in there, and for that, I am disgusted with myself. I feel like I did literally just one Halloween makeup look last year because I was super busy at that point in my life, and I apologize. One is not enough. So this year I am starting early. That is why we have this makeup look today, and I'm going to do more as spooky season continues. So if you would like to see how to get this bat eye vampire bat makeup look, then just keep watching. Do you guys like my ears today? It is very on trend because today we are going to do a vampire bat makeup tutorial. And so this is the beginning of 2020 Halloween makeup, and I'm so excited. It is spooky season, you guys. So let's get into it. So I've already done my face makeup because nothing exciting. I just tried to kind of like whiten myself out a little bit more, and then I used more cool tone contour shades to just like really get in there. I have no blush on, and I have a little bit of what is this? The JCat Pearl Luminizer on as my highlight shade. And like normal, I've never tried this, so if it sucks, I'm sorry. Hopefully it'll go well. So Kat Von D changed to KVD Vegan Beauty, and so I'm going to start with their Shade and Light palette, their contour palette. And this is what I actually used on my cheeks today. I used a mixture of all three of these shades to contour. So yeah, so I'm going to use this on my eyes a little bit today. So let's begin. This look really doesn't require eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it anyway, just for fun. But yeah, it's mostly about the liner and the lips today. So I'm going to first start with the coolest gray-brown shade in this palette. It is very cool tone, and we are just going to kind of gently contour our lid a little bit. And that is probably actually all that we're going to do on the lid today. So let's get into liner. So like I said, I have never done this. But that's what we're about on this channel. Trying things that I've never tried before on my own, but doing it in front of you guys so that I look like a failure if it's horrible. Okay, I'm just going to abandon this because it's old and gross. And we will start anew. So this is the one that I just rebought. It's the same thing, the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. If you guys like a certain liner in particular and want to use that instead, feel free. I just love the brush tip on this. It is so fine. So yeah. So I'm just going to use this for a mirror. This is what I'm going for. So I'm going to first do like a normal, so eyeliner tip number one. Start on the side that is not your dominant side, the side that you're not good at. I'm going to start on the left. Draw a small little line. Pull that across. Alright, so we have like a mini wing. And then I want to go in here and kind of swoop it around. Just like that. We're swooping. Oh, I'm stressed. Nervous. And now we are going to draw a straight line out from here, and then draw a line a little closer in that's shorter, and then one here that's even shorter. Okay. All right, we can do this, guys. We can do it. All right, so now we're gonna kind of like swoop it. And then you're just gonna fill those in. Okay, that doesn't look half bad. So now what I want to do is I want to fill in the inner part a little bit more. You guys, that does not look half bad. What the heck? Okay. Kind of get a little bit cleaner edges. Should have put deodorant on. I'm stressed. Sorry to have face makeup on. I'm going to lick a Q-tip. Actually, I kind of just want to... So this is an interesting concept. Maybe I should have done it differently. Maybe we'll try it differently on this eye. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this, and we'll try and make this wing happen over here. Okay. Maybe that was a mistake. We'll see. Does that look about even? Looks a little higher. I've literally never done a wing this big. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm really trying. This one's a little shorter. So we will just make this one a little taller. All thanks to my hooded lid that got really, really thick. I'll fix it. Then kind of just go for it. I just kind of winged it. Fill that in. This is the easy part. Okay, so clearly should have done this eye differently. So here's what we'll do. We will draw on it until it matches, and we'll erase what we don't like. This is why trying things before you go to a party or something like that, if you're gonna do makeup like this, is importante. And don't get frustrated. It's fine. You can always fix it. Last time, we got this. We got this, ladies. We got this. So when I look forward, you can see a little bit of skin here, and you can't see it here. So I'm gonna fill in that space. Does that make sense? Okay, so I did this side, and I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna try and do this side to mostly match. So I'm just going to take my liner, and I want the first one to be about here. So I'm kind of just drawing a line out. And I think I want the second one to be about here. So then you kind of want to like pull it and make it into a triangle. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah! So I have a little bit under here that I want to clean. I'm gonna do that real quick. So now I want to extend this liner onto the inside of our waterline, like in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, perfect. I thought about putting on false lashes, and then I tried, and I was like, I don't know, I don't really feel like it needs it because it kind of like covers up the liner, and that's like the focus, it's like the point. So I did not actually put lashes on. So I think it looks really good, and I just put mascara on my lower lash. I kind of felt like if I put anything down there, it was just gonna like overwhelm it. I feel like it's kind of a statement itself. Doesn't really need any more help. So I'm going to move on to lips. I also set my face. Yeah. So I want to do like a deep blood red lip. So I'm gonna use this Essence red long lasting lip liner in Ready for Red. And I'm just going to put this on. Okay, so now with that, we're looking a little bit Black Swan, which is why I want to go with a deep red. So I have the Starfire lipstick in Aquila. But this is what it looks like. Stunning, and it's going to be perfect. Oh, it's beautiful. So because I want this to read vampire, I'm gonna take a small little brush, like this little Alamar brush. I've used it for eyeshadow, but it's fine. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this just right off my lip and kind of like pull it down. Light, what so proudly we hail. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I added a little bit of Ofra Havana Nights on top because I just felt like it wasn't quite deep enough and I wanted it to be like deep red. So I just kind of put that right on top, just a little, just to add a little bit more depth to the red. This is the finale of our first spooky season Halloween makeup tutorial. So if you have any suggestions for things that you want me to do, put them down below. Like I said, I have a bunch of other ones planned, but if you want something in particular, then I'll do that instead of one of the ones that I have planned. But this is one of those that like, you could definitely do this with a mask on. This very much reads bat eye, and you could easily find like a little vampire mask if you were gonna go to like an actual Halloween party and you wanted to be smart about your decision. So yeah, so you could totally do this and then just wear a black mask with like a little vampire mouth on it. That would be really cute, actually. I just don't have one. Or if you are comfortable not doing it, this could be a very simple way to have like a vampire makeup look or a bat eye type deal. You don't have to do this color lip. You could do black, you could do orange, you could do purple, you could do a nude if you're more comfortable, or nothing. Anyway, if you have anything that you want to see down below, put it down there. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you recreate it. Tag me in it. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you don't already. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I love you.